All right, Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. Welcome to So What's for Dinner with the Mediterranean diet and Meals for Longevity. So just a couple of minutes just to let you know what I'm cooking tonight for the new modern Mediterranean diet. These are some of the recipes you'll find on my website, mealsforlongevity.com, in the section e-recipes, chef's e-recipes. But let's check together what I cooked tonight and let's get ready for dinner. So I have just finished a little bit of blending over here, and I'm making a roasted pepper soup, a cup as appetizer. Let's go ahead and bring this back to boil. This is a quick recipe, about 15-20 minutes you can get this done. And then I have some water boiling over here. We'll check together why. I have a ciabatta bread. I'm gonna make some dipping sauce. As you can see, I work with my recipes. I test them, I make notes. This is the roasted pepper soup. I'm going to do a dipping sauce over here with extra virgin olive oil. Actually, let's do it together. Extra virgin olive oil. Balsamic vinegar. This is from Fabio. Fabio is an importer here in Sarasota of Italian products. And I have one judge that likes the opposite. I say, why not? He likes more vinegar than extra virgin olive oil. Let's go ahead and go on. The soup is boiling, a couple of minutes is ready to serve. Ciabatta bread. Let's toast it together for about 10-12 minutes, and let's see what actually is for dinner that is finishing. I am very excited. Let's see if you recognize it. This is very hot. It's been cooking for an hour and a half. It's a goulash. Yep. Beef, paprika, carrots, tomato, broth, herbs, caraway seeds, and is finishing. It still need a few minutes. I just add the peppers, so about 10 more minutes. In the meantime, we toast the bread. We finish also the stew, and then let's see what's next. Here, I'm making the dumplings, the noodle. Fresh semolina flour and just water. There is no eggs. I'm going to make the dumplings myself. Let's see if I can do one for you. So it's very easy. I didn't know I can cook with one hand. I guess I'm learning. I knew I can cook with my eyes covered, but not with one hand. So just to let you know what I'm doing, I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. And then with a spoon, I will roll it. Yep. So I'll make some little dumplings, you see? And then I will boil that for a few minutes. It'll take about 3-4 minutes over here. That's why I got this ready. Let's not forget some salt. And 3 minutes it will cook. Whoa! And then I will serve this on the bottom of the stew. So I boil the dumplings, I put it on a bowl, and I put the goulash stew on top of it. This is a recipe that contains all the ingredients for you to have a full dinner. So all the vegetables, all the meat, and with the appetizer that is a roasted pepper soup, and the dumplings, it will have all the ingredients that you need. Balance for the Mediterranean diet to have a balanced meal. So thank you for watching my videos. This is My name is Giuseppe Urbano, and I am an executive chef, a professionist. Subscribe on this channel because every night, no, it's not every night, 3 nights a week I do the testing during the weekdays. So for 3 nights I will send you this, but then other days I will send you other videos, how I do it, and more indication. This is the book I wrote that slowly is gonna go on the internet. And I think by the end of the year, we'll have about 50, 60 recipes that are published. And next year, January, February, I will be publishing the DIY meal plan builder for the Mediterranean diet. So you can get all these recipes in a proper way, balanced with the frequency and the proportion of the perfect Mediterranean diet. Ciao, thank you for watching. Yes, perfect.